Welcome to Litehawk. Today we'll be unboxing the all-new Big Tom and getting it ready for its first drive. Inside the box is everything you need to start driving the Litehawk Big Tom. Instruction manual, remote, charger, vehicle battery, and the Big Tom itself are all included. The Big Tom shares many design elements with its smaller cousin, the Little Tom, but cranks the fun factor up to 11. Big Tom takes the concept of high travel suspension and improves upon it by integrating true four-link suspension in both the front and rear. Massive off-road tires give Big Tom the grip needed to climb over large obstacles or power through gravel, mud, grass, and other challenging terrain. Desert Racer roll cage design not only looks great, but provides incredible durability in the event of a rollover. Big Tom utilizes a dual motor design that applies constant power to all wheels. Front and rear motor pods keep the weight lower down on the chassis to help in climbing steep slopes. Big Tom is perfect for off-road adventures of all types. To prepare for driving the Big Tom, first insert batteries into the remote. 3 AA batteries are required and are included with the Big Tom. Next, ensure that the Big Tom vehicle battery is charged. Locate the USB charger and plug the battery into the charger. Plug the battery into any powered USB port. Once the battery is charged, replace the battery and power the vehicle on. Power on the remote and the Big Tom should instantly pair to the controller. Now you're ready to go. The Litehawk Big Tom is available now. Discover the terrain-conquering capabilities of the Big Tom and have fun powering your way over tough obstacles of all kinds. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get access to Litehawk contests and giveaways. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the world of Litehawk.